Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Army Public School and College Zamzamano Shara Khan. Class 10, Week 10, Chapter number 6, Subject Mathematics, prepared by Mr. Zafar Khatak. Textbook Mathematics 10 Science Group, page number 141, Exercise 6.3, Topic Measure of Dispersion, Resources Required Textbook. Previous knowledge. Number 1. What is mean by an arithmetic mean? What is group data? Define class interval. Introduction. Measure of dispersion. Statistically, dispersion means the spread of scarceness of observation in a data set. The spread or scarceness in a data set can be seen in two ways: the spread between two extreme observation in a data set, the spread of observations around an average, say their arithmetic. Number 1 is range. So first we will explain range. A range measures the extent of variation between two extreme observation of a data set. It is given by the formula: range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value, where x maximum mean maximum value, highest or largest observation. Now minimum value mean the lowest or smallest observation. The formula to find the range for group continuous data is given below. Range, upper class boundaries of a large group minus lower class boundary of. Variance is defined as the mean of the square deviation of x from 1 to n observation from their arithmetic mean in symbols. Variance of x is equal to variance of x. In shortcut way, a is equal to s square summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n. Now the third is standard deviation. Standard deviation is defined as the positive square root of mean of the square deviation from 1 to n observation from their arithmetic mean. In symbol we can write the formula: standard deviation of x mean SD, S means standard, D mean deviation of x. So in shortcut way we use as S is equal to summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n. Now computation of variance and standard deviation. We use the following formula to compute variance and standard deviation for ungroup and group data. First, the ungroup data. For the formula for variance is given below: s square is equal to summation x square divided by n minus summation x whole square. So as a standard deviation we take the square root. So after the square root it is the standard deviation. Now for group data, the formula of variance is given below, which is variance of x, s square is equal to summation fx square divided by summation f minus summation fx divided by summation f whole square. Now as a standard deviation, if you can see clearly, the frequency is involved. So from the standard deviation is the taking square root from variance. It is the standard deviation. Exercise 6.3. The salaries of 5 teachers in rupees are as follows. Find the range and standard deviation. First we will find the range. So the range is maximum minus minimum observation. The maximum observation is 15,000 and the minimum observation is 11,500. So the range is equal to 15,000 minus 11,500, which is 3,500. Now find the standard deviation. So first we will find the x bar. So summation x divided by n, sum of all the observation divided by the total number of observation, which is 5. So 68,200 divided by 5 will be equal to 30,640 are the mean, which is x bar. Now x is 11,500, 12,400, 15,000, 14500 and 14800. So x minus x bar is minus 2140 and x minus x bar is minus 1240. Similarly 1360, 860 and 1160. Now x minus x bar whole square, it means that minus 2140 multiplied by minus 2140. So these are multiply with 2 times, so it means that these are the data. So after that, summation x minus x bar whole square means these are the value. So n is equal to 5, so standard deviation is equal to, these are the values divided by n, which is 5, by taking square root. After taking square root, their answer is 1417.88. Question number 5. Find the standard deviation s of each set of the numbers. These are the two values. Calculate the variance of the data also. First we will find the x. The first part is x, which is 12, 6, 7, 3, 15, 10 and 18 and 5. X minus x bar. First we will find x bar. So after finding the x bar, which is x summation x is equal to 76 and divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. So we will find the x bar. After simplification by x minus x bar, we will calculate these value and calculate these value. After getting the values, x bar is equal to 76 by 8 is equal to 9.5. Standard deviation is equal to summation x minus x bar whole square divided by 9. Summation x minus x bar whole square is equal to 190. So 190 divided by n, which is 8. So by simplification and then taking under square root, so is equal to 4.85. Now second part, the values of x observation is 9, 3, 8, 8, 9, 8, 9 and 18. So x minus x bar, first we will find x bar. Summation x divided by n. Summation x is 72. So 72 divided by 8. So number of observation is 8 is equal to 9. So x minus x bar is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 6. 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus x bar whole square means 0 multiplied by 0, 0, minus 6 multiplied by minus 6, which is 36, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, which is 1. Similarly, these are 1, 0, 1, 0. So summation x minus x bar whole square is equal to 120. Putting in formula, which is s is equal to summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n, 120 divided by 8. So by simplification and cancelling and taking the square root is equal to 3.87. B. Calculate the variance of for the data 10, 8, 9, 7, 5, 12, 8, 6, 8 and 2. Solution. These are the observations, and first we will find the x bar, which is summation x divided by n. Summation x is 75, then divided by n, which is 10, is equal to 7.5. Now we will find x minus x bar and then x minus x bar whole square. So first we will find x minus x bar. 10 minus 7.5, which is 2.5. 8 minus 7.5, which is 0.5. 9 minus 7.5, which is 1.5. 7 minus 7.5, which is minus 0.5. So it means that 5 minus 7.5, 12 minus 7.5, 8 minus 7.5, 6 minus 7.5, 8 minus 7.5 and 2 minus 7.5. So these are the values. After that, x minus x bar whole square mean that 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 and 0.5 multiplied by 0.5, 1.5 multiplied by 1.5, minus 0.5 multiplied by 0.5, minus 2.5 multiplied by minus 2.5, 4.5 multiplied by 4.5, 0.5 multiplied by 0.5, minus 1.5 multiplied by minus 1.5, 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 and minus 5.5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by 0.5. So these are the values. After summation x minus x bar whole square is equal to 68.5. By using the variance formula, we putting the value of summation x minus x bar whole square in formula, which is the values is 68.5 divided by n is equal to 10. So it means that 6.85 is the variance. Question number 6. The length of 32 items are given below. Find the mean length and the standard deviation of the distribution. It is the table. So in solution, the class interval are that So frequency is given 3, 6, 12, 9 and 12. So the median point of class interval is 21, 24, 27, 30 and 33. Fx, we will multiply Fx. So 63, 144, 324, 270 by multiplying 30 with 9, and 33 multiplied with 2 is we will get 66. So summation Fx is equal to 867. Now first we will find x bar. Summation Fx divided by n, which is 667 divided by 32 is equal to 27.093. So standard deviation is 315. 315 divided by 32. So after getting by division and then taking the square root, 3.137. Question number 7. For the following distribution of marks, calculated a range. Marks in percentage and the frequency or the number of students. So first the class interval, we will explain the class boundaries earlier. So I done the class intervals, which is 32.5 and 40.5 are 28 students, and 40.5 and 50.5 are 32 students. So these are the values. So first we will find the range. So the range mean that minimum maximum value minus minimum value. The maximum value is 75.5 and minimum value is 32.5. So by minusing the maximum minus minimum, we will get 43. Thank you, G.